Guten Appetit.
Guten
Appetit. I added na lang the...
Genug Kartoffel, oder?
Yeah. Let's eat lunch. So, I cook adobo po. Pork adobo. Now you want rice. See? Sabi niya kanina ayaw niya ng rice. Potato daw. So, naglagay ako ng potato dito. Sabi ko talaga, it's better with rice, I said kasi.
Nur ein bisschen.
Yeah.
Just a little.
So, ayan. So, pag weekend, nag-request ako na what is this? Filipino food. Taran!
Big pieces.
Big pieces daw. That's how adobo is. To be big pieces. It's okay. It's hot naman. I cannot use my hands. I need a fork too. Can you get my pork paper in the plate? Nakip them. I cannot touch it. It's very hot.
Very good.
Bagong luto kasi siya. Ooh! Nangka. So, yan. That's it. Masarap.
Masarap.
Very good. Late na yung lunch namin. It's already, what time is it? 2? 2:30?
Late dinner.
Dinner?
Lunch.
It's super high.
Amen.
Kasi bigla ako nag-crave kanina ng adobo.
Freshly from the fire.
Ayun. Nilagyan ko siya ng Sprite. Is okay? Pero, konti lang nilalagay kong suka kasi pag nalasahan niya, ayaw niya. You don't like vinegar, right? Hindi mo na lang sinasabi. Konti lang yan. Yeah, it's good, right? Gusto ko kasi yung taba-taba.
You can use lemon juice.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah, I told you, that's what I use. Hangga. Hindi pala. Iba pa rin kapag ano kasi suka, di ba? Arte-arte nito. Hindi mo pinakain naman niya. Lagyan ko ng ano, suka. Kunti lang ha. Yeah. Masarap naman, di ba? Masarap. Yan yung alam niya masarap. Yung ano sana yung kukunin naming yung may buto-buto. Yung ribs, parang ganun. Pero ayaw niya eh. Ayaw niya ng hassle kainin. So, this. Masarap. Diba? Sabi ko pag weekend, Filipino food. Yeah. Nag-agree ka. It's good kaya Filipino food.
But for the week, the other is easier to cook.
Pag weekdays kasi, puro lang. Iba pa rin yung pagkain natin kasi. Nakahanap-hanap ng panlasa ko. I put a lot of chili powder and cayenne because we don't have chili. So it makes a little bit spicy, you know. It's not too much, right? Spicy.
Not at all.
Yeah. Mahilig siya sa spicy. Natuto na lang ako dahil sa kanya eh. Nakahiligan ko na rin. Nagpapawisan ako. Diba? Give and take. So, kinakain ko yung mga pagkain nila dito. Kainin din niya kung ano yung mga food natin. Hindi naman siya maarte actually sa pagkain. Right? You're not maarte in pagkain, right? In food. Titikman niya yan pag masarap, nagustuhan niya, kakainin niya. Hindi yung sasabihin niya ayaw niya agad. Tatry niya muna. Kahit anong ipakain mo dyan. Kahit yung malunggay, mga kumakain niya. Tikman niya. Ay, hindi siya maarte sa food. Kasi daw nasanay sila na what's the food in the table? Kung ano man yung pagkain sa table, kailangan kainin. Right? You were trained like that when you were young with your mama. Don't say na ayaw ko agad-agad without trying it. Kasi most of the kids nowadays, they are like that. They will say, oh, I don't like that.
In Deutsch we call it keine Extrawurst. So, no special sausage. So, eat what is on the table.
Ganun daw.
No extra cooking.
So, yung mga pamangkin ko ngayon, ako, kabataan ngayon, kahit yung mga pamangkin ko, right, some of my niece, our nephews, they are maarte in food.
And then extra cooking and then chuchu.
Sarap. Yung sauce. I like the sauce, no? Kasi nung first time ko itong niluto yung suka, na ayaw niya. Tapos ngayon gusto niya. Right before, when I first cooked this one, you don't like it because of the vinegar.
Yeah. But when you remove the vinegar, it's yummy.
Hindi ko naman tinanggal eh. Kinuntian ko lang. Huwag tayo maingay, guys. So, ganito kami kumain. Siya, nakatinidor ko, ako nakakamay. But depends siyempre kung ano yung kinakain namin. Gumagamit din naman ako.
You see, the potato is also very good in sucking up stuff.
Yeah, there's a sauce also.
You just need to smash it.
How many kilos is this? 1.5? 1 and 3.
What?
The meat.
Not just 1.2.
More than a kilo pala. And we cook all? I should not cook all.
Okay.
It's fine. I just leave some for tomorrow for my veggies. The bony part. We will eat dinner if we don't finish it. Right?
We just leave it like that.
Yeah.
And eat what dinner.
Masyadong marami. Busog na ako. I'm full na. Very good. Yay! I thought you don't like it. Let's finish na. Sure? Let's need kinug for dinner. Just a little.
I just needed to clean up the plate.
And this one.
Just leave it.
Okay.
When you warm it up, you can just put the rice in it. Suck all the...
Too much beef, huh? Too much sauce.
Yeah, they are also potato. And they also need sauce.
Okay. Sarap. Good. I guess I eat a lot. You get a little more sauce. You don't have sauce naman lang. Or a piece of meat. Still a lot more. I want pa eh.
The next time you can put even a little more chili.
Little, it's spicy now.
No,
I don't like to eat too much because, I might get the... It's awi in the tutu. Pag kumakain kayo ng maanghang.
it burns twice.
Umiiyak ako, sakit. Hapdi. Kaya ito kasi, kina-challenge niya ako. Oh my gosh, I'm so full.
Very good.
Thank you.
Yummy.
So, konti na lang yung natirang rice. Dinner na namin to. Tapos mayroon pang ilang pirasong natira. Konti na lang, ito na lang. Mga 6 piraso tas potato. Hello? We're so hungry ba? We eat that? Ay, no pala. So, yun lang. Happy lunchtime.